हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंट अपील हैज़ बीन फाइल्ड बाय द डिफेंडेंट हरियाणा अर्बन डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट फॉर शॉर्ट HUDA ब्रैकेट क्लोज अगेंस्ट द concurrent judgments and decrees passed by both the courts below, whereby the suit filed by the plaintiffs was decreed and the resumption order dated 8/3/2001 and the subsequent orders were set aside. Stop. The parties herein would be referred to as the plaintiffs and the defendants as they were described in the original suit. Stop. The brief facts of this case are that the plaintiffs filed the suit for declaration to the effect that the defendant Hooda was entitled to charge interest only at the rate 10% simple interest and not at the rate 18% compound interest on the overdue amount, and further for declaration that the action initiated by defendant Hooda under section 17 of the Haryana Urban Development Authority Act 1977 bracket start for short the HUDA Act bracket close, including the resumption order dated 8/3/2001, the appellate order dated 13/8/2002, and the subsequent actions are illegal, null and void, being beyond the power vested in defendant number 2, that is estate officer Hooda under the Hooda Act and the regulation framed thereunder. Stop. Further, as a consequential relief, a permanent injunction restraining defendants from forcibly evicting the plaintiffs from the site in question was also prayed for. Stop. It was pleaded in the suit that plaintiff had purchased SCF number 58 sector 8 Panchkula in an open auction held on 29/12/1988. Stop. The bid amount was rupees 8 crore as per the terms of the allotment. The plaintiffs had deposited 10% of the total consideration on the spot. Stop. Thereafter, as per the condition of allotment letter, an amount of rupees 1 crore was deposited with the defendants to make up the 25% of the price of the plot. Stop. The balance amount of rupees 6 crore was to be deposited in half yearly installments. Stop. As per the letter of allotment, each installment was recoverable along with interest on the balance price at the rate 10% simple interest. Stop. It was further pleaded that due to some unavoidable circumstances, the installments could not be paid by the plaintiffs as per the schedule and the payment was delayed. Stop. However, there was no condition in the allotment letter regarding charging interest on delayed payment, much less any condition for charging 18% compound interest. Stop. However, due to delay in payment of the installment, the estate officer Hooda Panchkula, the defendant number 2, proceeded to take action under section 17 within bracket 1 of the HUDA Act. Stop. Accordingly, notice dated 26/3/1991 was issued by defendant number 2, wherein an amount of rupees 4 crore was shown to be outstanding against the plaintiffs. Stop. In this letter, it was further mentioned that an amount at the rate 10% of total amount, that is rupees 47 lakh, shall be charged as penalty in case the said amount was not paid forthwith. Stop. It was averred that while arriving at this amount, defendant number 2 had calculated the amount by including the interest charge at the rate 18% compound interest. Stop. Thereafter, defendant number 2 issued another notice dated 12/11/1991 under section 17 within bracket 2 of the Hooda Act, where the amount of rupees 6 crore was claimed to be due. Stop. Still further, another notice was given to the plaintiffs on 14/2/1992, again under section 17 within bracket 2 of the HUDA Act, wherein the amount of rupees 7 crore was shown to be outstanding. Stop stanza.